I am Devlyn Steele, Director of Education at Augusta Precious Metals, here with a look at some of what's expected to make headlines this week in the economy. Before we begin, remember to like this video and subscribe for more economic updates. One of the biggest news items of the coming days is sure to be the meeting of the Federal Open Market Committee on Tuesday and Wednesday. At the conclusion of the previous meeting in June, Fed officials elected to pause rate hikes for the first time in the last 11 meetings, but ongoing stubbornness in core inflation data is expected to prompt the central bank to resume rate increases. According to CME Group's Fed Watch tool, nearly 100% of traders expect the Fed to bump rates another 25 basis points at the conclusion of this week's meeting. That would put the Fed funds target rate in the range of 5.25% to 5.5%, the highest level in 22 years. Switching gears, on Thursday, the Bureau of Economic Analysis will provide us with the advance estimate for gross domestic product growth in the second quarter. The final estimate for the first quarter saw the economy expand at an annualized rate of 2%. As for where second quarter GDP will land, projections seem to vary widely at the moment. For example, the latest estimate from the Federal Reserve Bank of Atlanta's GDP Now economic model says the economy expanded at 2.4% in the second quarter. But the Conference Board believes GDP grew at just 1.1%, less than half the GDP Now estimate, and considerably slower than the actual first quarter growth rate. Finally, on Friday, the Bureau of Economic Analysis will be back with the June reading for another closely watched measure, the Personal Consumption Expenditures Price Index, known to be the preferred inflation gauge of the Federal Reserve. The core PCE price index is projected to have climbed 0.2% for the month, down 0.1 of a point from May. As for the year-over-year rate, that's believed to have decelerated in June to 4.3% from 4.6% the month before. That's it for now. We'll be back at the end of the week to recap some of the more important economic developments. This is Devlyn Steele for Augusta Precious Metals, signing out.